out with a cute, sexy 60s Peggy Bundy, Peggy Bindle, if I'm saying her name right. I call her Peggy Bundy. I thought of, why not come out with a Peggy Bundy inspired Shein haul? So when I went on Shein, and dolls, this is my most favorite store. I love this stuff. Is so cheap, fashionable, cute, retro inspired. Hello, that's what my channel is about. So dolls, if you don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Monroe. I do retro hauls, retro hair, makeup, tutorials, everything in that spectrum. Dolls, if you have not, please like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you dolls can get more updates when I do more videos. Oh, and thank you for all the new subbies that have subscribed to me. Yay! I'm so happy you dolls decided to subscribe to my channel, and I love you dolls. Thank you so much, and I hope you dolls love this Peggy Bundy 60s retro inspired 70ish. I kind of like to mix the two a little bit, but mainly 60s. So if you dolls love seeing clothes like that, please keep watching.
Now, first outfit, dolls, I am wearing a black and gingham pants outfit. The pants stretches really nice, dolls. I'm wearing a 1X, and I love how they fit, dolls. They zip at the side. They have no pockets in the front or the back. Excuse me if you see my shapewear kind of showing a little bit. And now I'm wearing the black top, dolls. It is kind of see-through, so wear a black bra, and it does go up to your neck, and it is a sexy outfit. Now, dolls, I'm wearing this Peggy Bundy inspired leopard jumpsuit. It's giving me 70s vibes, late 60s, early 70s. Has a little tie belt in the front and is very revealing in the front. Very low cut, dolls, so wear a good bra with this. Now, dolls, I am wearing this black romper with my Pinup Girl Clothing patent leather belt. Also, I am wearing my pleaser heels that goes with this. Dolls, I thought a cute little romper would look nice in this haul, so I thought about showing you, dolls. Also, it's very stretchy. It does tie in the front, but it's hidden behind the belt. Dolls, I love it. It is very short, dolls, so, just keep that in mind if you dolls love rompers like this. But it is off-shoulder romper. I thought it was really cute and sexy, giving me bad girl vibes, so I love this romper so much, dolls, and you will love it too. Now, dolls, to have something light on the light side, I'm wearing the same romper, but it's in lavender, and I'm wearing white belt and some white mules, dolls. I love these rompers. They're so cute and sexy, and yes, they're very short, but dolls, I love them that way, and hopefully you dolls will like them too. It is off the shoulder, so if you dolls are into that, this is the romper for you. Now, this outfit, dolls, and this is such a disappointment. I had so much high hopes, but this is showing off my girls entirely too much, and it is extremely short. I am wearing some shapewear under it, dolls, and yeah, this is a cute little outfit if you just want to wear inside the house, but I would not wear this outside. It's so cute, though. I had such high hopes for this outfit. It is a really cute pink outfit. Now, dolls, this is especially giving me Peggy Bundy vibes. I am wearing some leopard leggings with a leopard top and with my Pinup Girl Clothing belt in the middle to cinch in my waist more, dolls. I love this outfit. It is extremely stretchy. Wear a black bra underneath because this is kind of see-through. So I hope you dolls love leopard. I love leopard. This is giving me such cute Barbie vibes. So, dolls, get this outfit. Next, I am wearing a sexy zebra print dress, dolls. This really is so cute. It was taken in at least 4 to 5 inches, so I took it out, and it fits me perfectly. It buttons up at the front. The belt is a little wonky, dolls, and I had to just mess with the belt just for it to fit nicely on me, dolls. It is tight in the chest area, but I made it work anyway. Now, dolls, I'm wearing my Pinup Girl Clothing capris with the belt and my pleaser heels, and I'm wearing a navy blue to silver leopard top, dolls. It's very low cut. It's very comfortable and stretchy, dolls. I love this top, and these tops are so cheap, dolls. Shein is my go-to place for retro inspired everything. It is just giving me so many Peggy Bundy vibes. I'm loving these leopard outfits. Next, dolls, I'm giving you this navy blue leopard top, dolls. They are wide sleeve. It's giving me late to early, well, really early 70s vibes. I was going to say late 60s, but I'm just getting 70s, early 70s vibes with this. Definitely, like I said, Peggy Bundy. Now, dolls, I had no tops like this, but it is a sleeveless leopard high collar top, dolls. It does show my bra straps a little bit, but if you dolls can find something that doesn't, that would be great. But I needed a leopard top like this. I've seen so many ladies wear tops like this, especially Peggy Bundy, so I had to get it for myself. Very high collar. Now, dolls, I'm showing you a different print of leopard, long sleeve, high collar, very stretchy. Dolls, I mean, come on now, you gotta get it, right? Now, mixing it up, I had to come back with some zebra print. Dolls, you can never have enough of zebra print. High collar, stretchy. Like I said, wear a black bra underneath, and you are good to go. Now, dolls, I am wearing this top, a different leopard print type of print. A lot of leopard prints are different patterns. I love this top. I love the brown in the middle and the light parts at the sides. I love that top. Next, dolls, I'm wearing another leopard print top, extremely see-through. Please wear a black bra under this, but I'm just showing you dolls what this look like, so excuse my bra showing. Very long sleeve, dolls, extremely comfortable, high neck, and I like this, dolls. It is a cute outfit to wear. Now, dolls, my last but not least, my last leopard top. It's just like the blue one I wore. Very wide arm. I love it. Low cut, extremely stretchy, and it is a cheap price, dolls. I highly recommend. So, dolls, I hope you love my video, and I hope you enjoy all the leopard Peggy Bundy vibes I showed you. Thank you, dolls, for watching, and I will see you, dolls, next time. Bye, loves.